How to automatically save snaps on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to automatically save snaps on Snapchat. For this video, let's open Snapchat. And before we begin, as you know, there are different kinds of snaps. Could be a snap you send to a friend, or it could be a snap you receive from them, or it could also be a snap you post on your story. But among all of those, there's actually only one snap you can automatically save, and that is the ones you actually post on your stories. So to automatically save those snaps, all you have to do is tap on your profile at the left top corner and then tap on settings at the right top corner. And from here, just simply scroll and look for memories. So tap on memories. And as you can see under save destinations, we have three options only. And the second one is auto save my story snaps. So there's really no other snaps anymore, only the my story snaps. So all you have to do is simply tap on that and then tap on auto save to memories. So just simply go back and try to test it out. So from the Snapchat camera, let's try to send this one to my private story. And from here, just as you can see, I did not save it, but it automatically saved under my stories. And that's how you automatically save snaps on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.